Hi friends, welcome to Storytime with Tristan. Join me today as we read My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook, written by Breeanna Hill. My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. Mommy, what's that you're cooking? Well, baby girl, we've got drumsticks, corn on the cob, and baked potatoes on the grill. It looks delicious. It'll be ready for dinner in no time. My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. Today I saw her watering leaves in the sink. Mommy, what's that you're cooking? Well, baby girl, I'm making collard greens. Oh, can I watch you? Of course you can. My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. Tonight we had so much fun making pizzas. Mommy, what's that you're cooking? Well, baby girl, I'm putting toppings on my pizza. What's your favorite topping? Some of this. My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. This morning I could smell her famous homemade biscuits. Mommy, what's that you're cooking? Well, baby girl, why don't you take a wild guess? My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. On cold days, she makes yummy soup. Mommy, what's that you're cooking? Well, baby girl, it's the perfect day for yummy soup and grilled cheese. I love extra cheese on mine. Extra cheese coming right up. My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. This is my favorite time of the year. It always makes me feel good when we pull out our fancy dishes. Mommy, what's that you're cooking? Well, baby girl, these are all of our Thanksgiving favorites. Did you see the pound cake and hot water cornbread? My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. Birdie and I are practicing cooking like my mommy. Birdie, come look. We have some popsicles, cake, hamburgers, bread, and turkey. My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. I washed my hands really good so I can touch all of the vegetables. Mommy, what's that you're cooking? Well, baby girl, I'm making a salad to go with our dinner tonight. Can I help you? How about you hand me that tomato? Okay, Mommy. My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. Daddy is going to help me make Mommy a surprise dinner. Okay, Daddy, are you ready? My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. Mommy, close your eyes. Wow, baby girl, this is perfect. You have been paying close attention, haven't you? My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook, and I can too. The end. I want you to think about all the unstoppable things that your mommy does. Do you like to help her do those things? I love that our main character watched her mom cook, and then eventually she took what she learned and confidently prepared a meal for her mom. Special thanks to Breeanna Hill for granting permission to read aloud My Unstoppable Mommy Can Cook. Make sure to check out her website, Breeannahill.com, to purchase your own copy of her book and find out more about the author. Thanks for joining me on Storytime with Tristan. Click the description below to find out how you can purchase today's book. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I'll see you next time for another reading adventure.